Today is the 12th of August 2010, and let's see how you could have traded today's market. Again, I'm going to concentrate on news trading, because this is a very good method to trade the market. Of course, it is risky. There are lots of dangers in trading this method, so you must always have this in mind. But you can do this provided you have a sound stop loss rule or rules, risk management, then you can do it. And today we had some data from Great Britain. It's quarterly inflation report, very important data. And before the news I marked these levels for going short, for going long, and you can see the range wasn't very big, 50 pips. So if you remember, I have the rule of 5 pips above the highest point of the range you buy, and 5 pips below the lowest point of the range you sell. If the range is so small, you can make 10 pips or even 15 pips above the range and 15 pips below the range, just in order to be safer. Okay, and if the news does not produce any movement, you just go back to technical trading, whatever method you have. All right, but today we had a nice move. Just as the news went out, we had a move down. Yes, so this candle shows this very well. And if you look, this lower level was 134.9, so you could have entered 133, 99, 95, and you could have gone up to even number, which is right there, 132.94. So you would have entered even somewhere here. All right, at this level I exited at 133.10. all right, so nice move, about 80 pips of profit. This is the way how you could trade news. And if you don't want to do it, of course don't, but please have in mind that news really create some sharp moves. So you might close your positions before the news, or you might just wait for some reactions to be finished, and then you can trade technically. But be sure when news come out, lay aside your technical weapons, and be sure either to stay away from the market or to trade fundamentally. Of course, I mark these ranges, so this is technical method, but I try to combine technical with fundamental, and I think you should do the same if you want to be profitable. All right, so I don't know where the pair is going. Tomorrow we have these 4-hour candles. You see, it's kind of jumping off this level, so we need to see what happens at 133. This is 133 level before European session. I will check what happens and see. We might go long from this level. Okay, but now we have support somewhere there at this level. This was the breakout. You could see here and here the pair broke this level, so now it is resistance. So this level is important and this level is important, and of course the pair might continue going down if you look at daily chart. So it might go to 131. Of course 32 would be some sort of resistance, and 31. Okay, so I don't have anything else to tell you today. Yeah, just have some nice trading tomorrow.